The price of silence. Why it hurts the channel when you don't subscribe. When you watch and don't subscribe, the algorithm assumes the content isn't valuable enough to recommend. Even if you love the video, even if you watch the whole thing, silence looks like disinterest to the system. Subscriptions tell YouTube this channel matters. They help the videos reach people who actually need them, people who wouldn't find them otherwise. Without that signal, the message stays hidden. If this channel has ever helped you, made you think, laugh, or feel less alone, subscribing is how you keep it alive. It's not about numbers, it's about reach, and reach is how purpose turns into impact. Subscribing costs nothing, but not subscribing quietly costs the channel everything.